Okay. Alright, if you can hear me okay, this is the Predator 3500 watt inverter generator. It's running a little heater, ceramic heater there that runs about 1500 watts. And I'm sure you can hear the generator. I'm not sure what it sounds like on the phone here, but I mean, it's very quiet. Every bit as quiet as my little Honda 2000, which I prefer. I just bought this for hurricanes. So far, I'm pretty impressed with it. I'll show you the front panel here. You look down here, yeah. See, right now it's 122 volts, and that's that. Shows you how many amps, 11.7 amps. It's running 1500 watt generator. Excuse me, the heater. Actually, 1427 according to the power meter. And then I got 1 hour on it. This actually goes down to the minutes as well, so I've had it 1 hour and 8 minutes. As you can see, this thing is just doing its thing. I got electric start. 30 amps there for the RV input. Right here, let's take a quick look at this thing. Predator 3500 inverter. Tell you what, so far the build quality looks good. We'll see how long it lasts. This isn't going to be an everyday use thing. If I was professional where I use it every day, I probably would have spent the money for the Honda. But this is just for hurricanes, backup, and I'll be using it. Hopefully won't be using it a whole lot. I'll probably take it camping a little bit with me in the summer where I'm running the AC more and a few other things, but definitely not in the winter because 2000 watt generator I have runs fine. It runs everything fine as it is, but yeah, you want to put a little time on these things. One of the worst things for a gas motor is to sit around and never be used. So you can see this thing just purring away. A lot of videos out there on the maintenance and things. I just wanted to say that for $699, took the risk. I did buy the extended warranty on it though, because it is unknown to me. So far, pretty well impressed. I did yesterday have two 1500 watt blow dryers on it running the full 3000 watts, and it had no problem doing that at all. Went up above that, I started to get faults. But so this thing does what it says. It runs 300 continuous. It's 1500 watts here. When I turn this thing off, I'll turn the eco off. You'll hear the difference. Use the eco throttle. Actually, it don't matter, I guess. I'm running this. I'm running the heater. Let me turn the heater off over here. Come around here. Turn this thing off. Hear the generator come down. A lot quieter, barely purring now. I'm right up on this thing, and you can hear my voice sure well. I'm gonna turn the eco throttle off. That's as loud as this thing gets. Pretty impressive if you ask me. Eco throttle, and I'll go turn the heater on here, 1500 watts, and you'll hear it ramp up. Okay, here we go. That's it. There we go. Anyway, just a quick video. This Harbour Freight Predator 3500. Normally I'm not big on Harbour Freight stuff, but the reviews of this thing was pretty high, and the price is right. It's certainly quiet. It'll probably do what I need it to do. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Take care.